Today, we came to a fluorite processing plant in Mongolia to set up and test the equipment. This plant also uses a complete set of equipment supplied by our company. The plant is divided into two sections. The crushing line is located outdoors, while the washing, screening, and jig separation line is installed indoors. Let's take a closer look at the main equipment. First, there are hopper, feeders, and jaw crushers. One coarse jaw crusher and two fine jaw crushers are used to crush the fluorite ore. Now, let's move inside the workshop. Because the raw ore contains a high clay content, we provided a double shaft spiral washer to remove most of the clay and impurities. After washing, the ore passes through a vibrating screen to sort it by size. Each size goes to a different jig machine for separation. Fine particles are processed by the LTC jig machine, while large particles are handled by the Efter jig machine. Separating these ores by size ensures better stratification and higher recovery, as each jig works most efficiently within its designed particle range. The separated fluorite concentrate and tailings then pass through the dewatering screen for moisture removal. After dewatering, the fluorite concentrate is stockpiled for drying and further processing, while the tailings are collected in a separate area for safe storage. This is the fine particle fluorite concentrate. If you're looking for reliable fluorite beneficiation equipment, contact us for professional solutions.